Following a well-balanced diet is one way we can help ourselves stay in good health. By adding in nutrient and vitamin-rich foods like fruits and vegetables, we can mitigate or reduce our risk of developing long-term chronic diseases. But can it help us defend ourselves from pathogens, including the illness that has turned our world upside down? The coronavirus has taken the lives of many too soon. It has changed the way we live in so many ways. How can we help ourselves and our families to stay safe and well during such unprecedented times? Can we do something small? By consuming a plant-based diet, we can lower our risk of infection, strengthen our immune system, boost our nutrient levels, and help our bodies fight off sickness. A plant-based diet can mean many different things. It can mean an individual identifies as vegan or vegetarian. It could also mean a person chooses to focus on increasing the amount of plants in their diet without cutting out any animal products. By following this pattern of eating, we can help our immune system by upping our micronutrient intake, i.e. vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals, increasing our fiber consumption, and diversifying our gut microbiome. So what are some specific vitamins we can look at for immune health? Deficiency of vitamin A has been shown to increase risk of infection of respiratory viruses. Vitamin A is a fat-soluble vitamin that has a critical role in epithelial cell health. Epithelial cells are our first line of defense, both inside and outside our bodies. They line the respiratory and digestive tracts, cover the inside and outside of our blood vessels, and make up the layered structure that is our skin. Without vitamin A, we cannot maintain a healthy mucosal lining, weakening our non-specific immune system and lowering our first line of defense. Vitamin A can be found in liver, dairy products, and fish, but it can also be synthesized from carotenoids, specifically beta-carotene. Sources of beta-carotene include sweet potatoes, carrots, winter squash, spinach, and kale. So if liver's not keen on your palate, swap the meat for some orange or leafy green vegetables. Research on mice shows supplementation with vitamin E lowers oxidative stress caused by influenza viruses and decreases lung-related pathology through better T-cell to T-cell communication and innate activation, meaning the mice were able to fight off influenza-like viruses more easily with a boost of vitamin E. Supplementation is great, but it's more cost-effective to go right to the source. We can cook with vegetable oils like safflower, snack on nuts and seeds, or throw leafy greens like kale into our smoothies for an added boost of vitamin E. A classic antioxidant, vitamin C has been an immune-boosting staple for years, and for good reason. In the body, vitamin C stimulates the migration of white blood cells, specifically neutrophils, to the site of infection. This increases phagocytosis of pathogens. Like a microscopic Pac-Man, our white blood cells engulf our non-self cells, halting the pathogen in its tracks. In coronavirus patients, vitamin C therapy has decreased the length of infection, shortened periods of isolation, and relieved symptoms. Some vitamin C staples include oranges, grapefruit, and tomatoes. So what's another benefit of a plant-based diet? By upping our fruit and vegetable intake, we supply our bodies with a variety of phytochemicals such as polyphenols. Polyphenols are the most abundant of the phytochemicals, boosting immune health by mitigating the spread of viral pathogens once they enter the host. Polyphenols have been shown to reduce viral replication, adhesion, and penetration of self cells, and inhibit viral hemagglutination, the coagulation or clumping of red blood cells caused by some influenza viruses. Although there have been no known human trials done on the supplementation of polyphenols, studies on mice have shown reduced influenza virus symptoms and mortality. A plant-based diet ensures we are consuming a wide variety of polyphenols to help boost our innate immune system. Those who follow a plant-based diet also consume plenty of fiber. Fiber is the indigestible plant matter that passes through our digestive system into our large intestine, where it can be digested by our gut bacteria. Consuming fiber regularly helps diversify our gut microbiome, increasing our short-chain fatty acid production. Short-chain fatty acids increase our body's production of monocytes, the precursor to macrophages. Studies on mice have shown that dietary fiber increases the rate of survival from influenza and other respiratory infections. In humans, we have seen that just increasing fiber consumption by 10 grams a day lowers the risk of infection in men and women to 34% and 39% respectively. The best nutrition advice out there is still balance, moderation, and variety. By following a plant-based diet, we can boost our immune health and increase our chances of healing from a viral infection like coronavirus. Consuming a wide variety of fruits and vegetables provides us with an array of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and phytochemicals that have protective health benefits. Getting these nutrients through diet is essential for maintaining good health and helping us fight off pathogens. Although supplementing with these nutrients has some beneficial effects for those who are already sick, it's better to consume these nutrients in their whole form to maintain lifelong health. Plant-based diets are not only beneficial for long-term health, but also for defending us from viral infections. It's a simple adjustment to our daily diet that can go a long way in benefiting our overall health.